Yo, just got my motherfucking Yeezys, boy. Let's go. It's snowing here in New England, and I was hoping they wouldn't get left out in the snow, but they just came like 10 minutes ago. Let's go, dude. Let's go. I already see the Yeezy box. The DSRT would help if it wasn't upside down. There we go. A box within a box. Boxception. Oh. Fuck that old box. Oh my god. Been waiting for these. I ordered these on Black Friday. I already got them. That's like, I don't know, 4 days, 3 days. I don't want to do math. Let's go, dude. Fuck, dude. These things are... I feel like I'm on Tatooine with these, bro. It's like desert. Oh, these are fire, bro. These are like boots. I'm gonna wear these to work. It's like work boots. That's why I copped them. I'm literally gonna wear them like every day. Because they're straight up work boots. Check them out. Yeah. DSRT. Yeezys in salt, oil. I can't remember what this color was called. Of course, the color I ordered, I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, it's probably on the tag, and I'm an idiot. Can't remember the color name. Doesn't say it on here. New Yeezy DSRTs, boy. I wanted to get the oils, but I like these. I think they're called Rock, actually. Rock, salt, and oil. The salt, I hate white shoes. The oil was like kind of ugly, honestly. But I was going to cop them. This, I don't know. I'm hoping it'll... Usually I wear khaki, so I hope it's not too much tan going on. I like that highlighter. That shit's like... What am I trying to say? Like holographic or reflective. See that reflective strip? That's pretty cool. Can't wait to try these on. Links out.